Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about bold lipstick, a makeup staple that can instantly elevate your look. Whether you're a seasoned lipstick lover or just starting out, these tips are for you. So grab your favorite bold lipstick and let's get started. Before applying any lipstick, we need to make sure our canvas is prepped. Exfoliating our lips is key to removing any dry or flaky skin, ensuring a smooth lipstick application. You can use a store-bought lip scrub or make your own with sugar and coconut oil. Gently massage the scrub onto your lips, then wipe it off with a damp washcloth. Smooth, soft lips are the perfect base for any bold lipstick. We've all been there. You're excited to rock a bold lip, but your lips are dry and chapped. Bold colors highlight any texture or dryness, making imperfections more noticeable. Focus on healing and hydrating your lips first with a nourishing lip balm. Once your lips are healthy and hydrated, you can go back to rocking those bold colors. Now it's time to bring in the secret weapon lip liner. This little tool can make a huge difference in your makeup routine. Lip liner helps to define your lips, prevent feathering, and create a clean, polished look. It acts as a barrier to keep your lipstick from bleeding and ensures your lip color stays put. Choose a lip liner that closely matches your lipstick shade or a universal nude shade. This will help blend seamlessly with your lipstick and give a natural finish. Carefully outline your lips, starting from the Cupid's bow and working your way outward. This technique helps to enhance the shape of your lips and gives them a fuller appearance. Lightly fill in your lips with the liner to create a base for your lipstick and make the color last even longer. This step not only intensifies the color, but also adds to the longevity of your lip makeup, ensuring it stays vibrant throughout the day. Overlining your lips can create the illusion of fuller lips, but it's important to do it in moderation. Stay close to your natural lip line and use short, feathery strokes to create a soft, blended line. Remember, less is more. Practice makes perfect, so start with a subtle overline and gradually build up the intensity. One of the most fun parts of wearing bold lipstick is experimenting with different shades. It's like having a palette of colors at your fingertips, each one offering a new way to express yourself and enhance your look. But with so many options, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. The sheer variety can leave you feeling lost, unsure of where to start or which shade will complement your unique features. Consider your skin tone. Fair skin looks stunning with cool-toned reds, pinks, and berries. These shades can add a pop of color that brightens your complexion and makes your features stand out. Olive skin tones can pull off warmer reds, oranges, and corals beautifully. These colors can enhance the natural warmth of your skin, giving you a radiant and vibrant look. For deeper skin tones, rich plums, burgundies, and browns are gorgeous. These shades can add depth and richness to your look, making your lips the focal point of your makeup. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something unexpected. Sometimes, the most surprising shades can become your new favorites, adding a fresh twist to your style. Wear a color that makes you feel confident and beautiful. After all, the best shade is the one that makes you smile every time you catch your reflection. You've carefully applied your lipstick and it looks amazing. But before you head out, don't skip blotting. Blotting removes excess lipstick and prevents smudging or transferring onto your teeth. Fold a tissue in half, place it between your lips, and gently press. Repeat to ensure your lipstick is set and transfer-proof. When it comes to bold lipstick, precision is key. Using a lip brush can take your application to the next level. Dip the brush into the lipstick, tap off any excess, and carefully outline your lips, following the natural shape. Fill in the rest of your lips with smooth, even strokes for a flawless look that stays put for hours. We've all been there. You're applying lipstick in a hurry, and you accidentally get a little bit outside the lines. Don't panic. Concealer is here to save the day. Take a small, flat brush and dip it into your favorite concealer. Carefully clean up any mistakes around your lips, creating a sharp, defined line. This step perfects your lipstick application and makes the color pop even more. Want to make your bold lipstick last even longer? Tired of constant touch-ups throughout the day? Setting it with translucent powder is the answer. This simple trick can keep your lipstick looking fresh for hours. Take a small, fluffy brush and dip it into a translucent powder. Make sure to get a good amount on the brush. Gently tap off any excess and lightly dust it over your lips. This helps to lock in the color and prevent smudging. You can also use a single-ply tissue for this step. It acts as a barrier and ensures even application. Hold the tissue over your lips and lightly dust the powder over the tissue. This method helps to absorb any excess oils. This will help create a more natural finish. Your lipstick will stay put, looking vibrant and flawless all day long. Even the longest-lasting lipstick will need a touch-up or two throughout the day. Keep your lipstick and a small mirror handy for quick touch-ups on the go. If you're short on time, dab a small amount of lipstick onto the center of your lips and blend it outwards with your finger. And there you have it, beauties, my top do's and don'ts for mastering bold lipstick. Remember, the key is to prep your lips, choose the right shade, and apply it with precision. Have fun with it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. See you next time.